What does a crocodile say? Hey, sweet girl.
What does he say?
What does a crocodile say? What's he say? Does he say? Dun 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 dun. That's very good. Where's a crocodile? What movie is he in? Is he Entangled? No. Is he Little Mermaid? No. Is he in Peter Pan?
He's a crocodile.
He's a crocodile? Who's he trying to eat?
It's a Hook.
Captain Hook, huh? Is that your baby crocodile? What's he say?
It's like wishes.
Yep.
It's like wishes.
Yes.
Wishes.
Who does he eat? Rescuers? Is that what you're saying? He is in the Rescuers, huh? There's 2 of them.
Boing, boing, boing. Boing, boing, boing.
Boing, boing, boing. Is he jumping?
He's fluffing.
Yeah.
We get.
Very good.